The alarm sounded, and when I looked, a passenger actually went down to the track to retrieve something. I immediately radioed Rover Ilyas.
So when I alighted, I hold the passenger to move aside to the platform. I asked the question to the passenger whether he did went down to the track, and he said yes to retrieve a ATM card. So from there, OCC told me to hold him so that Transcom will come over.
It's nice to see that the system sees the passengers actually for their own safety. iSafe has tremendously helped the TSCs here at Bukit Panjang LRT. So iSafe sets out an alarm when it detects intrusion or loitering at the platform.
So from there, usually they will pay a public announcement to stand behind the yellow line.
So the relationship between the TSCs and the Rovers are very symbiotic. So we need each other to keep the system running smoothly. And I'm very thankful that everyone has been very cooperative whenever they activated. It is nice to have such an environment where you have camaraderie.
What keeps me motivated to work here is actually my colleagues. When there's an issue, we will actually text each other what to do, and we back each other up.